Yeah, well. Would you like to sit on Santa's lap? Can we take a picture? No. Okay. Can you maybe stand right by him?
Okay. Mommy could sit.
Mommy, you want Mommy to sit?
Mommy could sit, and Mommy could hold him.
Do you want me to sit?
No.
Do you want
How
Daddy?
about if I just stand right next to him?
Do you want Daddy to hold?
Bud?
Look, it's fine. Look, Mommy's right here.
Well, yeah, that's okay. That's okay. Okay.
All right.
All right, it's
we
okay.
Are too.
It's okay.
we are.
It's okay.
It's all right. Are you sure? Can you look at Daddy for the picture?
It's okay. It's okay, Krista.
We just thought we'd try. Huh. Yeah. Okay. All right. Ready? Samantha and Jessica.
Yeah.
Let's see. This is Samantha.
Good job.